Good evening, how are you all? Today I wanted to talk about Commodore 64, Commodore 64. I was curious about people if they still are interested in an old kind of computer, like a home computer, gaming computer. So let me know if it's still viable to buy one after all those years. Yes. For example, I show you the computer on screen. So these are the Commodore 64. Also an Amiga, I see. So what do you think? Is it good to buy one or not? Maybe for nostalgic reasons, or maybe for programming in BASIC, if possible. It's a small amount of memory, like 46K. It's not megabyte or a gigabyte. It's kilobyte, so very low memory. Yes, so let me know what you think about it. I'm curious. Also, my nephew want to start with one of those Commodore 64s to experiment and to program in BASIC. So let me know what you think about it. Yes. And again, I say to you all, goodbye until next time. Yes, goodbye.